Welcome to Fiery Digital Factory. In this video, we dive into Gang Sheet Builder in Digital Factory 12. Watch how easily you can compile multiple customer orders into a single optimized print job to maximize your media usage and speed up your workflow. Start by clicking on your queue and selecting Create Gang Sheet to open the module. Importing designs is effortless. You can add files individually or grab an entire folder at once. Stay organized by assigning custom IDs, perfect for tracking specific customer orders or batch numbers. You can even add labels to your sheet for easy identification after printing. Need more than one copy? Adjust print counts for any design instantly without re-ripping files. Hit Create Gang Sheet and let Digital Factory do the heavy lifting. In seconds, the software calculates the most efficient nest, saving you film and reducing waste. Your Gang Sheet is now ready to print. Faster production, lower costs, less waste. Only with Digital Factory 12. Thank you for watching. To learn more, go to fiery.com/df.